In this video, I am reviewing this software called Videlicious, and I will show you how we made $22,478 through free money links using 1 minute of work. And I will also show you how you can make the same and better without experience and technical knowledge. This software is unique, beginner friendly, and can be used to make money from anywhere in the world. Videlicious will give you money links, and I'm gonna show you how it works step by step in a moment. And if you buy Videlicious using my link in the description, you will get full funnel access of my software Vertex 100% free as Royal Bonus 1. Just FYI, Vertex is currently priced at $197 per month, but it's gonna be free for you. Vertex is the software that brings us customers from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and 99 social media sites. You will get full funnel access to Vertex so you can get customers just like us to your money links. In addition to that, as Royal Bonus 2, you will also get approval to one of our top converting products. You will get 100% commissions just like us because it's our product. This will help you make commissions just like us. There are other bonuses as well. I'll show you that in a moment. My link is in the description. Grab Videlicious and all the bonuses when you are ready. Before I give you a walkthrough, this Videlicious software turns other people's videos into your free money link completely legally and free. It gives you a website so you don't need to own your own website. You don't need your own video as well. Videlicious also allows you to create screencast videos if you want to. We pay Camtasia $236 per year for this. You don't have to pay that if you get Videlicious. The software also captures videos directly from your computer webcam if you are comfortable with it. But that's not the best part. The best part is that this software puts links, pop-ups, buy buttons, and opt-in forms on the videos, so it completely replaces the use of website or even opt-in page to build email subscribers list. Now, while your money links are ready with Videlicious, let's get you customers. People are addicted to short videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. And we figured a trick to siphon them to our buy link and buy from us using this simple software. That's how we are making money, and I will share everything with you free in just a moment. Before we begin, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way you help others learn how to make money online, and everybody will get notified when we upload our next money making video. Before we built our 7-figure per year software company, I tried every push button, fake promises, and quick money tricks. Nothing worked until I realized one simple formula. Money is in other people's pockets. That money comes to your pocket when they pay you through your money link, when they trust you. And they trust you when they trust your content like videos, like these videos. For example, if you make a helpful video just like us, they trust you, just like the videos we make every day. Videos? Why videos? Because everyone watches YouTube Shorts and Instagram and Facebook Reels and TikTok videos. These giant sites send you thousands of customers when you create videos or contents for them. So we built Vertex, and it's currently selling at $197 per month price. Don't worry, it's free for you today. And we have our own high converting products and offers that make us $5 per visitor. And you will be able to make that kind of money too from this video. $5 per visitor means 100 visitors pay us $500. 1,000 visitors pay us $5,000. This is how the sales page looks like. AI software creates stunning videos, makes them fully interactive, and even finds ready to buy clients. Use this button whenever you're ready to purchase. These are all the benefits you get from this software, and you get 100% free commercial rights websites. Step number 1, there are 3 ways to create videos. You can camera capture, you can screen capture, or you can upload directly from your hard drive or even from YouTube directly using one link. You can customize and you can click a one-click embed on your website if you want to use a website. But don't worry, you don't need a website because the software gives you a web page. All the different ways you can make money from this software. Here's some demos example, some nice testimonials from users, and here is the detailed demo. These are all the features and benefits in details with graphics and descriptions, and you have 30 days money back guarantee. All the extra bonuses. They have a lot of extra bonuses you're getting. Couple of examples that you can make money from Fiverr and as a freelancer. And the frequently asked questions if you have any. Now let's make a money link for you using Videlicious. Click this create video button. Click the YouTube icon to fetch video from YouTube. I found this video is an awesome content that you can share with anyone and they will fall in love with you for sharing this video. Simply paste the URL of the video and the software Videlicious will fetch the video. Now you see this link right here. This is your money link. Go to the details tab and add a description. I like autoplay, so select autoplay video, select add exit intent model and buy button CTA. This is what I love because this is where we make money. Click update and the page is updated. You can see there are so many money features available for you to benefit from. Your money page is ready with an awesome other people's content. You didn't have to make any video, right? But the buttons contain your link. This can be your affiliate link. Your visitors will love your content. Click your link, buy from you, and you will make money. Super simple. Royal bonus 1 is my software Vertex. You can use all these templates and you can use all these designs to make videos from using simple drag and drop system. So you can go to any template and let's say you want to make a TikTok video, just click on it, choose any of these templates and you can edit them. Look, it's very easy to edit. You can use the editor and you can use other videos, you can use image, text, elements, filters, you can add audio and other layers to add more elements and make videos without you being in the camera. But that's not all. In the social blast section, using the social blast feature, you can share your videos with 99 different social media sites. This is literally unlimited traffic on a silver platter. This is the training page where you get all the trainings from. Unlimited content and traffic is at. Plus, you will get approval of 100% full funnel commission to one of our highest converting products that will help you make money just like us, which is $5 per visitor, which means $500 per 100 visitor and $5,000 from 1,000 visitor. So all your problems are solved. Videlicious is giving you a money link that people will visit. They love your content on the page and eventually buy from you. Royal bonus 1, Vertex with full funnel will drive traffic from 99 sources to your money link. Royal bonus 2, approval to 100% full funnel commission will allow you to make double commissions just like us without any hassle of product creation, sales page, graphic design. Sounds good? Go grab it now from the link in the description. There are 20 other bonuses that the product creator gave me to offer to our customers. You will get all of them as well. But all these bonuses are strictly available for 24 hours only. After 24 hours, they will be taken down. The price is low at the moment, and if you just try to move your cursor away from the browser, you will see a $2 discount pop up. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, so your investment is completely safe. Again, the bonus is only available for 24 hours only, and after that, they will be taken away. The software and the bonuses will solve your content, traffic, and money problems, and put you in a position where you can make money just like us. $5 per visitor, $5,000 per 1,000 visitors, which is double to what other regular affiliates get. The link is in the description below this video. Click to get your access while the bonuses are still available and the price is at the lowest. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it to review the product and give you the bonuses you need to make more money than other customers of the product. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you but also your friends and family and social media contacts learn how to make money online the real way and the right way. Everybody will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. We always share our money softwares free. Links are in the description. When you share our video with your friends and family and social media contacts, they also get access to our softwares free. And they will see you as a cool person as you are sharing helpful information with them. Get Videlicious and all the bonuses while they're still available from the link in the description. And we will see you in the next video.